When creating corners and joints in woodworking, it's important to have the right tools. A biscuit joiner may not be at the top of the tool wish list, but this power tool is ideal for mitered corners, T-joints, and a variety of other joints using wood joining biscuits. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best biscuit joiner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DW682K Heavy Duty Plate Joiner Kit. The DeWalt DW682K Heavy Duty Plate Joiner Kit is a reliable and cost-effective tool for biscuit joining tasks. It is equipped with preset depth stops tailored for standard biscuit sizes and features retractable pins with anti-slip technology to ensure secure positioning during operation. Its dual rack and pinion fence mechanism maintains parallel alignment between the blade and fence consistently. Despite its robust functionality, it remains lightweight and includes convenient accessories such as a dust bag and kit box. Expanding on its usability, one customer shared their experience of using this joiner to fulfill their daughter's request for tables, praising its ease of mastery and efficiency in securing boards together using DeWalt biscuits. Another user highlighted its durability by successfully employing it in constructing a sizable hardwood deck with hidden fasteners, emphasizing its solid performance throughout the task. Number 2. WEN 8.5 amp plate and biscuit joiner. The WEN 8.5 amp plate and biscuit joiner offer a cost-effective solution for those seeking to incorporate a biscuit joiner into their toolkit without exceeding their budget. Designed for edge joining panels and reinforcing joints, it features an adjustable fence for versatile biscuit slot configurations. With standard preset slots and a carbide tip blade capable of reaching 10,000 RPM powered by an 8.5 amp motor, it delivers reliable performance. The package includes essential accessories such as a dust bag, a carrying case, and 50 multi-size biscuits. A satisfied user commended the WEN plate and biscuit joiner for its hassle-free setup, praising its sturdy construction and the convenience of having everything neatly packed in a quality case. They found the provided instructions particularly helpful for beginners, labeling it as a solid and affordable choice for woodworking enthusiasts. Number 3. Makita 6 amp P-corded plate joiner. The Makita 6 amp corded plate joiner is a lightweight yet powerful tool, boasting quick and precise performance. Its rack and pinion system ensures accurate adjustments, while the cast aluminum front body enhances durability. Featuring a pivot fence with 3 positive stops and 6 depth settings, it includes 1 touch stops for common biscuit sizes and non-marring rubber strip shoe inserts. Reviewers commend its accuracy and user-friendliness, with one praising Makita's reliability and ease of use in woodworking tools. Another user appreciated its lightness, ergonomic design, and convenient shaving sport location. They also found the rugged case excellent for tool protection. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.